learning is something which is one thing which is going to be a permanent affair, at least something that we do every moment of our life. I consider, the formal learning which was there, my education, I believe that was something that was more pushed onto me. I have not been very good at the formal education side of it, but what really worked well for me was everything that I could learn while I was, actually on job.
That is of December 2006 when the first LMS, that is our first LMS, was it went live to our first client, that is L&T, known as Anytime Learning. This was kind of an evolution that was there. There is one more part to this, that is the importance of an LMS. Most of the time, with the later part which I mentioned about everything going cloud. So now you can learn anytime, anywhere, and it is not restricted to any devices. That has been the kind of an innovation that has happened.
There might be a gap of a formal learning and the professional journey. Just like might be I'm playing a different role and my formal education was something different. There might be a gap in that area. In that case, LMS will play a critical role. It will be a teacher for us in future, so that it will define my learning journey as per my professional life and as per the professional goals. So it will be a medium to deliver the required content in a required fashion. So that will help us to grow definite direction. Along with that, completion of certain thing will boost our confidence in that area, so that we can share our achievements certificate.
In one sentence, I'll say it's because we need to evoke and embark upon our personal growth journey and own it like our life depended on it. No one owes your personal growth to you than you yourself. So every single day when life presents you with an opportunity, an obstacle, or whichever way you choose to look at it, just know that you either are investing in your vision of yourself, which is the personal growth, or you're doing a complete disservice by letting life pass you by. I can promise you the first one. If you do commit to your vision of yourself, on the other side of that is amazing personal transformation that will not stop you from achieving your truest potential.
The kind of a product you have is absolutely fantastic or fabulous. So, it gives us basically internal pleasure actually. We are really doing something good. We are really serving our societies better. We are really doing basically something good to make our clients' learning processes as well as contributing in their learning journey. So when the client talk about you have a good product, you have a good support, your team is really good in terms of response. So that really something priceless for us actually, not for me, everybody in the organization.
Do something better than yesterday, and doesn't have to be skills in a professional domain. It may be as simple as cooking, or as simple as exercising or anything. So I think I will not go and try to really sell on that part, because without learning you're not really moving forward. At some point you realize that you're just standing the same place you were 6 months back, and the world has really moved on. And then of course competition will always catch up.